Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your channel name on YouTube. Whether you are rebranding your channel or simply want to use a different name, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. The first step is to sign in to your YouTube account. Once you are signed in, click on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the page. So click on your profile picture and then select YouTube Studio from the drop down menu. So click on YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, look for the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Customization. So this is the menu. If we scroll down, this is the customization. So click on Customization. In Channel Customization page, click on Basic Info tab. Here you will find various details about your YouTube channel, including the name, handle, and channel description. Locate the channel name field. So this is the channel name field. And type in the new name you want for your YouTube channel. So currently it's Demo Tech Channel 2023. So we are going to change it to Demo Tech Channel only 23. After entering the new channel name, review it to ensure it's correct. You can only change your channel name twice in 14 days. Once you are satisfied, click on the Publish or Save button to save the changes. So click on Publish button. Changes published. It may take some time for the new channel name to propagate across YouTube's system. So if we go back to YouTube Studio, you can see our channel name has been changed to Demo Tech Channel 23. So that's it. You have successfully changed the name of your YouTube channel. I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.